Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. Do you need to add a door sweep to the bottom of a door? We'll help you seal it good and proper. You will need an electric drill, a screwdriver, a utility knife or sharp pair of scissors, a hacksaw, a door sweep or rain guard, a measuring tape, and a pencil for marking. First, measure the width of the door. Based on the measurements, cut the flexible flap with a utility knife or pair of scissors. Cut the metal flange with a hacksaw. Position the door sweep onto the door and mark the screw positions with the pencil. Drill the pilot holes. Position the door sweep and apply the screws. Finally, open and close the door to test for any obstructions. That should seal it. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!